This video explores soothing coughs across ages by combining honey with thyme tea, a traditional remedy backed by modern science. Children over 1 year may enjoy a small honey sip, while thyme acts as an expectorant to loosen mucus and calm irritated throats. Careful dosing is essential, with caution about honey for young children and allergy checks before use. Practical steps include steeping thyme, cooling the brew, and offering warm sips between meals for best effect. Tracing its path from medieval gardens to today, this simple pairing offers gentle relief with minimal risk when used wisely.